quick breakfast skillets done in under 10 minutes, made in one pan and perfect for busy mornings. You can make these with jammy eggs or this creamy silken tofu blend that we love at home. Minimal prep, super satisfying and easy to make with what you already have. First up, the Shakshuka-Style skillet. This is one of those mornings where I don't even want to pull out a chopping board. If I have leftover pasta sauce sitting in the fridge, this is exactly what I make. It's quick, low effort, and still feels like a proper breakfast. Start with a pan and a drizzle of olive oil. Add chopped garlic and let it turn fragrant. In go diced red bell peppers. Cook for a minute until slightly soft. Now add your base, any leftover pizza sauce, tomato basil, or marinara. Pour in a splash of vegetable broth to loosen it up. Season with cumin, paprika, and salt. Mix and let it simmer. Add your gigante beans or butter beans or cannellini beans or whatever you have. They melt right into the sauce and give that soft, buttery texture. While that simmers, prepare your creamy topping. We are using a quick silken tofu blend, just tofu, nutritional yeast and salt blended until smooth. Once the sauce thickens, create small wells. Spoon in the tofu blend or add your eggs. Cover and let it cook until everything is warm and set. Finish with fresh parsley and a sprinkle of cheese. I'm using plant-based mozzarella. This one is warm, comforting, and really filling with a good balance of protein and fiber to keep you going. Next up, spicy chili oil veggie skillet. This one usually happens when I have random veggies left, like a half a pack of mushrooms or some spinach that won't fit into another recipe. Instead of letting them sit in the fridge, I just throw everything into one pan and this comes together in minutes. Start with olive oil in a pan. Add cherry tomatoes with a pinch of salt and let them blister until soft and aromatic. Then set aside. In the same pan, add chopped onions and cook until fragrant. If you enjoy simple meals like these that are quick, flexible, and actually satisfying, hit subscribe. I share recipes like this every week. Season with salt, oregano, garlic, and paprika. Add mushrooms, and a splash of vegetable broth. Let them soften. Add your beans for extra substance. Then toss in spinach in batches until it wilts. Create wells and add your silken tofu blend or crack in eggs if that's your preference. Cover and cook for a few minutes until everything is heated through. Finish with parsley or cilantro, a little salt and pepper, and a drizzle of chili oil. This one's bold, savory, and just as satisfying, something you can throw together any day of the week. Both of these come together fast, use everyday ingredients, and you can make them your own, whether that's with eggs or the tofu blend. They're balanced, filling, and perfect for those busy mornings when you still want something warm and homemade. Let me know which one would you try first, and see you in the next one.